Alright, just a super quick one, guys, before I get stung, but this is... Oh, they're getting active now, but this is a beehive in a tree just before the end of this bushwalk. So it goes from the main road to here, and yeah, oh, I've disturbed them, but look at this. You can just imagine all the honey inside here. I'm just gonna try and light this up real quick. Look at all the bees. Wow. I'll try and zoom out real quick. Oh. I've got the dogs on one hand. Wow. So it looks like someone's maybe seen the beehive and put up some timbers just to protect them, but yeah. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna leave these guys alone and finish walking the dogs. Catch you guys.